Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually save a section and reuse it. So what that basically means is if you come to a particular section like so, what you'll see, depending on the section that you are, so you build out a nice beautiful section, it could be e-commerce, whatever it may be, there's a beautiful section that you like, you can actually save that section. So just to the right you'll see this little tab says save section, and it says we create simple and if. Okay, so it's just we create simple and effective designs. You can see that there, so you can save it. Now once you save that, let's just save that as an example. Okay, you can rename it, and the thing is, the great thing about this, even if you save it, you can actually repurpose it on any website. It doesn't need to be on this particular website. You can repurpose on another website that you build, so you can have that congruent theme if you're going to create additional pages. Now alongside that, you do have, in order then to find it, how do you add that? So to the left you'll see something called saved sections. And let me just show you. So if I save this, let me just make sure it's saved correctly. Save, okay, and let it load. Save section. Okay, we create simple. Okay, that's done. Come back to save section, and we're just going to refresh just to make sure it's there. So give it a moment to load. Save section, and there we have it. There we go. Okay, so you may need to refresh it just to make sure it's there in terms of the section that we added. Add section, and there we have it there, like so. So it's really beautiful, very easy, and you can repurpose it and build these elements out. Okay, so that's how you would save and reuse a section.